Welcome back to another Forex broadcast weekly trade journal. We're on IG Live this week, and until further notice, because my Lux trading account flopped. So I lost to the prop firm Lux Trading, and I switched over to IG to continue. Let's go over our trades. For right now, we have the ODU. We're still trading with the market structure indicator. On the 4 hour, we're trading the 4 hour reversal, and we're bearish. So what I did was put a HMA of 500 and another HMA of 200. This one says 175, but you can change it however you please. 100, 175, 200. Either way, as long as you get the job done, right? So you can calculate this since the cross. Say we were to enter at the cross of the 200 and 500 HMA and put our stop loss above this high. Uh, February 2021. On the day frame, that's 693, which could be thousands to some of you. But since we weren't in the trade since February or March, we'll look at what's recent. And what's recent is the day frame is under the 500 MA HMA for all US daily. So currently we are bearish, and we can look for a retest and a drop to the previous low, or above the previous low around 72.53. Okay, going down to the 4 hours. The call was here. Here's the height at 70.75. What we're looking for is for this HMA to turn red. Signal line 500 under it, but we want it to change to red to confirm. Just extra added confirmation, right? If it's not going to retest at its previous height of 0.75, we are still looking to take trades down, and with our stop losses above previous higher lows or lower highs. Okay. Okay, we do have the RSI here. This template is from Market Structure Trader. So the RSI is planted at the bottom of the page of the screen to show strength. And since it's pointing down toward the 32 and 20 lines, we're showing some convergence. Well, if we put a line there, we can see. Let's see, put a line there. Yeah, that's divergence. We've got a lower low and then a higher low. Okay, so that's divergence. But one way or another, we're coming back to this previous section right here and moving from there. Okay, we're lower on both HMAs on the 1 hour, and we do have a bullish 1 hour call, which means we're coming back to the zone. This bullish 1 hour and retest says that price is coming up, and it's actually starting to make a shoulder head. Price is coming up and retesting the 4 hour area, below the 4 hour area. So trade that as you will. On the year US, we have a monthly bearish price. Prices under both HMAs, the 500 and the 200. But on the 4 hours, we have bullish price. So there's so much volume that we're, we're buying and selling at the same time. So if you trade long enough, one way will be correct over time. My bias is bearish. So after this pullback, we will be looking for the downside. Okay, this recent call is because of the bar close above structure, but we're still below the 500 and 200 HMAs. So if we are going up any higher, it's to the previous HMA. That's the 100 HMA. If we're going up any higher, it's to the previous retest, then continuation downside. And here's the hourly call to the upside. So this red zone is where you should enter and then go reselling down from there. Okay, we'll do two more. I'm already in the buy for the GBP USD. On the day, we've got all types of bearish action. We're under both of the HMAs. We've got price wicking to the bottom, telling us it's ready to come up to the previous structure and get ready for another pullback. So where price is now is telling us that it's ready to pull back. Okay, and on the 4 hour, we're bearish. So if it is coming up above this area, we should be selling at the previous retest. We're still below the HMAs on the daily to 4 hour, and now currently the 1 hour. In due time, we will be selling, and my bias is below 1.37. Okay, one last pair, and we'll look at GJ for the week above HMAs for the day between HMAs. How often is GJ in a sell? My bias is rarely. So coming down to the 4 hour, there was an arrow here. What is this arrow? Okay, we've got structure retesting previous daily zones, telling us it's ready to buy again. On the 4 hours, we still have time. So we want to close above this structure, make a shoulder head, it looks like it's happening, and continue upside from there. On the 1 hour, we've already got uh, the bullish close, and this gray area here is gap. So look for these gap areas 153 and above to be filled. Okay, and come back and show you that we want this area to be filled. Let me change this color a little bit. Want this area to be filled, and by Friday it should be. Alright, hallelujah. Catch you later.